Most soldering irons look great in the listing, but not all of them perform well when it matters. Some struggle to maintain heat, while others simply aren't built for the job. In today's video, I've ranked 5 popular soldering iron kits on Amazon to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. Links to all products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. YIHUA 926 3 Digital Soldering Station. Taking the number 1 spot is the YIHUA 926 3, and for most users, this is the best all-around soldering station on the list. One of its biggest strengths is PID temperature stabilization, which helps maintain a consistent temperature throughout longer soldering sessions. This can make a noticeable difference when you're working on sensitive electronics where temperature fluctuations can affect solder quality. The kit is also incredibly complete. Along with the station itself, you get 6 extra tips, lead-free solder, a solder sucker, stainless steel tweezers, and dual helping hands. It even includes automatic sleep mode and calibration support, features typically found on more expensive stations. The digital display makes temperature adjustments simple, and the ability to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit is a nice bonus. That said, the included helping hands are better suited for lighter projects than larger, heavier circuit boards. They work fine for most hobby work, but aren't quite as sturdy as dedicated third-party helping hands. Overall, if you want a reliable desktop workstation that balances features, performance, and value, the YIHUA 926 3 is easily the strongest option here. Number 2. Fanttik T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron. If portability and precision are your priorities, the Fanttik T1 Max is one of the most impressive soldering irons available today. This cordless model heats up in about 7 seconds and uses professional-grade C210 precision tips, making it ideal for delicate electronics work. It also includes a 360-degree swivel stand and an automatic sleep function that helps preserve both battery life and tip longevity. What really stands out is the overall build quality. Everything feels premium, from the design to the user experience. However, it's important to understand who this tool is designed for. While it's excellent for repairing circuit boards, drones, gaming controllers, and other small electronics, it isn't the best choice for larger wires or heavy-duty soldering tasks. If you're frequently working on automotive wiring or larger connectors, a full-size station may be the better option. For precision repairs and maximum portability, though, it's a fantastic tool. Number 3. 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. Coming in at number 3 is the 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron. For buyers looking for strong performance without spending a lot of money, this model offers excellent value. The 80-watt heating system reaches operating temperature quickly, and the built-in LCD display makes it easy to monitor and adjust temperatures while working. Because everything is integrated into the handle, setup is simple. Just plug it in and start soldering. The extra power also makes it more capable when working with thicker wires and larger solder joints. One downside is that the handle can become somewhat warm during longer sessions since the heating controls are built directly into the unit. The power cord is also slightly stiffer than what you'll find on higher-end models. Still, for general repairs, DIY electronics, and household projects, this soldering iron delivers a lot for the price. Number 4. 3200 mAh Cordless USB Rechargeable Soldering Iron. At number 4 is the Cordless USB Rechargeable Soldering Pen. This model is designed for users who need portability above everything else. It features a 3200 mAh battery, USB-C charging, an LED temperature display, and fast heat-up times. One of its biggest advantages is convenience. You can charge it from a laptop, power bank, or even your vehicle, making it useful for field repairs and hobby projects away from a workbench. The temperature display is easy to read, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry in a tool bag. However, battery-powered soldering irons naturally have limitations. Performance can decrease as battery levels drop, and long-term battery health depends on proper storage and charging habits. Additionally, some users may need to occasionally check and tighten the tip after extended use. If portability is more important than maximum power, this is still a very practical choice. Number 5. 60W Premium Soldering Iron Kit. Rounding out the list is the 60W Premium Soldering Iron Kit. Although it ranks 5th, it remains a solid option for beginners who want an affordable way to start soldering. The ceramic heating element provides more stable heating than many entry-level soldering irons, and the kit includes useful accessories such as solder wire, flux paste, replacement tips, and a desoldering pump. The adjustable temperature range between 200 and 450 degrees Celsius also makes it suitable for a variety of small repair tasks. The biggest compromise is the lack of a digital temperature display. Instead, adjustments are made using a traditional dial, which means you won't always know the exact temperature you're working with. The included solder wire is also fairly basic, so frequent users may eventually want to upgrade to a higher quality solder. For occasional repairs and beginner projects, though, it offers excellent value. So, which soldering iron should you choose? If you want the best overall workstation, the YIHUA 926-3 is my top recommendation. For premium cordless performance and precision electronics work, the Fanttik T1 Max is an excellent choice. If you're looking for strong performance at a reasonable price, the 80W LCD model offers great value. For portable repairs, the 3200 mAh cordless soldering pen is worth considering. And if you're just getting started, the 60W Premium Kit remains one of the most budget-friendly options available. I share helpful product review videos like this every day to help you save both time and money. Our top 5 rankings are carefully selected based on features, user feedback, overall value, and real-world usability. You'll find all product links and the latest prices in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with any of these soldering irons, feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.